Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a beautiful 7x16 that we just got in stock that's insulated with Windows AC and power. This one is in a silver blackout package. It's a 2019, again, 7x16. Does give you guys with the blackout package that all black diamond plate rock art along the bottom. You also have the V-nose guard, which is great for rock protection there. Great LED running lights too. I don't know if you guys can see those. They're all across the top on the front. You also have one on the side fender, so you guys will know right where this trailer is at night, which is a great feature. Extended triple tube tongue with this unit as well. Side door does have that double lock protection with the RV lock and cam bar. You've got a gutter over your side door. Exterior GFI outlet because we do have power again in this unit. And then you do have the two recessed LED party light bars off the side. These are awesome. They're very bright. Gives you guys a great place to hang out at night off the side of the trailer if you guys are going to use this for your dual purpose camping trailer and hauling trailer. Two 3,500-pound axles, brakes on all fours, aluminum wheels, and you also have a black diamond plate fender. Stabilizer jacks underneath the rear of this trailer. You also have a rear ramp door with the spring assist close. This one also has the black diamond plate wrap around your rear door jamb, which is that right there. It's really cool. It ties everything in nice together. And then you do have the two LED spotlight load lights off of your ramp, which is great. You guys will have plenty of light to load and unload at night. 7-foot interior height with this unit, so it is great for razors, UTVs, side-by-sides. Get you guys a better shot here. And again, we do have insulated walls and insulated ceiling with this unit, and then a white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. Two of the 18x44 slider windows with screens. They're right there across from each other, and they are tinted. You guys can lock them, and you can open up the screens if you just want to have a hole through there as well. So those are a really great feature to have. Lets in some natural light. You also have the Performance Nudo floor with Drymax, which is this right here. It's this great durable surface here on top, and then underneath this black surface is Drymax, which does not absorb any water or moisture. That's also on the underneath side of your trailer, so it's a great upgrade over your standard wood floor. 4 D-rings in the floor ready to go for tie-down points as well. And then we also have 3 interior LED puck lights here off the side. Now this switch back here at the back is to turn on these spotlights. You guys can drop this ramp and immediately get load light. And then we also have 4 interior outlets. So 2 on this side, 2 more up front up there. And we're going to just stop and talk about power options for a second. We do have 30 amp service in here. So it gives you guys this breaker box, a nice big long cord, and the cord port. So you can take that cord, pop it through the floor, go into your generator, your shore power, campground, whatever you guys are doing there to power up the trailer. So once you have that plugged in, it is going to run your interior outlets again. That exterior outlet, it's going to run the 2 4-foot LED lights that are here across the ceiling. And it's also going to power up your AC unit with a heat strip. So you guys do have hot and cold in here. And then we also have the battery box and charger, which is an amazing feature to have in these trailers because that's going to run your exterior lighting and your puck lights without having to be plugged into a power source. So I can turn those on, as you guys can see right there, all 3 of them. And again, all the exterior lights. So you guys don't have to worry about pulling up to your campground or wherever you're at, unhooking from the vehicle and not wanting to turn the generator on at night and not have light. So that kind of solves that problem for you guys. And then we do have a Max Air roof vent here at the back. This does have the bubble cover over it so it won't leak water in on your stuff if you guys forget to close that and it starts to rain. 5,000-pound payload capacity with this unit, and here it is. Give us a call. We'd love to earn you guys' business if you're in the market for a new trailer. You can always reach us at 303-688-8485. We're always online at coloradotrailersinc.com. We also ship, so if you guys don't live near us, no worries. Just give us a call. We'll get you a shipping quote and send you your trailer. And again, 303-688-8485.